In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our simple online HTML web page maker tool to make a web page quickly and easily. This is the web page here, and this is the tool, a very simple HTML web page maker. What you do is you enter in the text here that you want to turn into a web page. You enter in all the text first. You can type it out and copy and paste it. Up here you put the title of the web page, description, keywords, and then you select blocks of text you want to format. For example, this button right here creates an H2 tag. This button creates an H3 tag. Now keep in mind exactly how the text looks is going to depend on the CSS code that's already on the website that you're posting this web page to. So it's not necessarily going to look like this, for example, the H2 tag or header tag. That's just how the CSS code is on our website. When you're done making your web page, you can do one of two things. You could either output the HTML code only for the content you put in this text box. For example, you have the two option buttons here, create HTML web page only for the content created. And there's the HTML code there. You can select it, copy it to clipboard, paste it wherever you wish. Or you can choose to output an entire web page by clicking that radio button there, create full web page with title, description, etc. There you got an entire web page from start to finish. And then you could also download the web page that you made as well, either as a .html, .html, or .php. By clicking this button here, this is Create Show Download Web Page, and then you can download the entire web page to your computer.